What's up guys, welcome to Game Take. Today we're going to be looking at how you can cast and record Steam VR games and Oculus games using the Air Receiver app and OBS Studio. So I'm going to take you over now to show you all the different things that you're going to need. So the first thing we're going to need is an app called Air Receiver, which you can get on the Microsoft Store. Now I'm going to presume that you've already got this app because hopefully you will have watched the video that I'm going to put up now, which was how to cast your Quest to your PC. So if you haven't, go over, take a look at that video and then come back and then we'll expand on from that idea. So the next thing you're going to need to do is to open up a browser, type in oculus.com, and we're going to head over there and we're going to download the Link software so you can play your games via Oculus Link. So click on the oculus.com, head over, and if you scroll down you'll see Oculus Link, and then just click the download there. Now you will need a USB 3 for this. Click it in and save it to your downloads folder. You will need a USB 3 lead for this, but you can use the one that comes with the Quest, although I had a few issues with that one, as you will see. But it did work eventually. Once you've downloaded it to your downloads folder, just double click it, and we're going to install the Oculus software. So we just get that going. So I'm going to speed this up while it installs the software, because it did take quite a while for me. Once it's installed, click next, and then you're going to need to either sign up or sign in for an Oculus account. I already had one, but signing up, it's just your email, etc. And then it'll ask you where you want your games to go when it downloads them, and then you need to select which headset you're going to be using. So in my case was the Quest. Now you need to connect up your headset. So connect your USB 3 lead or your lead that came with the Quest, and up on the screen will come Oculus Link beta setup. Now you will need to go inside to your headset to enable this as well, and there you can see the Oculus software. And then head over to the beta channel on the Oculus software and just click on the public test channel and accept that. Now then it will say you probably need an update on the software, so let it do the update, and then once that's done, go into your headset, do the update in your headset. Go to About in your headset and click on Update. Get both of those all updated so that you're all linked up to the computer, all up to date. We're at the moment, as I speak, we're on version 19, but this did work from something like version 11. And then when that's done, click over onto devices. Now you will see this little orange warning symbol here. What this is for is this is where I was using the Oculus Link cable that came with the Quest. And you can see it says Quest is activated, but the USB 3 it's not picking it up enough. But it did work, but that song and stays there all the time. But if you use a USB 3 lead, a good one that does power and data, then you won't have that problem. So you can get them on Amazon, they're quite reasonable these days. So the next thing you're going to need is Steam and Steam VR. So you go into your browser, type in Steam, up that will come, open that up, and go in and click Steam powered. If you go over to there, you will see the big thing to install Steam, so we install that now. And then once Steam is installed, we're going to open it up. We're going to open Steam up. So if we head across to the store in Steam and just write in here Steam VR, and then click on the main Steam VR. Now there is a performance testing that you can do, but basically that's what you want to get. Now I've already got it added, and then once it's added you'll see it pops up here at the top of the Steam page, so you can open it that way. But basically get Steam VR and download that, and that will then give you this icon on your desktop. So now we're going to have a quick look at our checklist and make sure we've got everything. So we've got Steam VR, we've got Steam, we've got Oculus software, we've got Air Receiver, we've got our cable. That leaves us one more thing to do. we need to get OBS. So head over to your browser, type in OBS Studio, click the download and go over to the OBS project, click on there, and there you'll see the installer for the Windows. Click on the installer and download OBS, and so now our checklist will look like this: OBS software, Steam VR, Steam, Oculus, Air Receiver and the cable. So we've got everything we need, and now I'm going to show you how to set up the actual OBS itself. So here you can see my OBS. Now it's not the most up-to-date version, but it's good enough. And basically I'm going to go through how you do this. So I'm going to open a new scene and we're going to call this New Quest. That's that set up. Now what we need is a source for the new scene. So I'm going to set up game capture. Now I'm going to set up a new one, not add an existing. So we'll set a new one up. Click yes. So we're going to go into properties and we're going to click choose a specific window. And when I choose that window and then try and drop down the window, you'll see the air receiver is not there. And that's because it isn't started and that the quest is not linked up to it. So what you need to do is to start your air receiver and also start your quest and share your quest over to your air receiver. And once you've cast your quest, you'll see they both appear. And then what we can do is go back to the actual window, and you'll see it as it would be recording it off the screen with OBS. And there you can see that, so that's what it would be capturing. Anyway, what we're going to do now is the Steam VR part. So we need to hook up the USB and enter the headset so that we are in Oculus Link. Now just accept that, and we'll be setting this up now. Accepting the beta, and now we're going into the Oculus software. So this is the Oculus Home here, and there you can see on the left there Steam VR is in the Oculus Home. So we'll just have a quick little look around the home. Nothing too major, it's a bit sparse at the moment, I haven't been in here very much. And then we're going to go into Steam VR. And we're going to have a quick little flick around Project Cars just to show you that it's working. A couple of things to mention: when you open Project Cars, it does open a little window for I think it's called VR capture. You just want to minimize that, get it out of your way, so that your OBS is only showing air receiver screen. We're just going to Project Cars. I'm cutting this a bit short. Now my internet today was a little bit bad, so it was a little bit echoey, but I get that because I'm at the top of the house. So this is Project Cars in Steam VR, being broadcast on air receiver, which is being recorded or could be streamed on OBS. Here you can hear the sound, everything's there. Have a little play about with it, but as you can see, we'll just have a little fly around quickly, do a lap maybe. Now I've not gone into my quest and done any of the resolution mods or anything like that, it's all vanilla. That's something that I will be doing in the next day or so. Well, I just wanted to make a video to show you that it is possible to not have to use virtual desktop. Because virtual desktop for me really messed my triple screens up. I don't know what went on, but it went all crazy. I thought I'd had to reset everything. Oh, and as you can see, I'm not very good at this game either. But the next video that will be coming out, guys, will be me setting this up exactly the same. But it will be to do Euro Truck and ATS, because they're not actually VR games, as you know. But there is a way, using this game capture and air receiver, that you can do that on your Oculus Quest. So I hope this video has been helpful, guys. And You just finished this lap off. I've forgotten quite how good Project Cars was actually. I'll just come around here on the home straight, and on that note, I think, guys, it's time to call it quits. So that's how you do it. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm glad to answer to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hi guys, Steve from GameTake. Thanks for watching today's video. Why not consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon to receive notifications of when we upload. I've also put a new video just here that you might consider watching. Thanks again. Bye for now.